Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day today. Hey, Walmart is hiring, guys. I'm back with another job lead. This is for Resolution Specialist 2 Contact Center. It's an hourly role, it's a permanent role, it's a remote role. The position summary, what you'll do, requires knowledge of principle and techniques of customer communication, application and allocation of business communication styles and techniques, communication styles, norms, through different interaction channels to be able to listen to the customers and understand processes and prioritize customer needs, then provide solutions, adapt to listening and facilitation styles to customer communication styles, own customer and associate needs in the contact center, uses various communication mediums, analyze customers, their issues, and understand customer perspectives and communicate accordingly. Confirm, you will be confirming customer understanding by restating customer concerns and problem statements. This requires knowledge of problem solving. Different tools will be used, precedents and use cases for business problems, barriers to effective problem solving. For example, confirmation of bias, mental set, functional fixedness, and groupthink and paradigm blindness. Identify root cause solutions, contact and issues by asking probing questions in order to understand the issue. Support and advertise entry-level contact center resolution specialists by responding to escalated contacts and researching issues as necessary and providing resolution. Enhance engagement of and collect feedback from stores, associates, with the high impact customers by researching and resolving ongoing issues, following up with the customers on issues and implementing resolutions, complies with company policies, procedures, and standards of ethics and integrity by implementing related action plans, complete work assignments and priorities by using policy and data and resources. You will impress Walmart if you have 6 months experience in de-escalating highly escalated and sensitive customer issues, ability to multitask difficult situations, technical capabilities, basic internet laptop troubleshooting, the ability to adapt to changes without notice. Open availability is mornings, mid, evenings, and weekends. Availability upon hire is a must. This position, guys, starts at $15 per hour. Some people are making anywhere between $19 and $22 an hour. Minimum qualifications outlined below are the required minimum qualifications for this position. Is none are listed. If none are listed, there are no minimum qualifications. 6 months experience addressing and responding to customer requests in a contact center or retail industry. Preferred qualifications outlined are the optional preferred qualifications for this position. If none are listed, there are no preferred qualifications. Addressing and responding to customer requests in a contact center or retail industry. Primary location is 2101 Southeast Simple Savings Drive in Bentonville, Arkansas, and in the United States of America. And about Walmart, at Walmart, we help people save money so they can live better. So guys, I will put the link to this job description, to this job in the video here, in the description of this video. So you'll be able to click on this link for the resolution specialist. You can come up here to the top and click on careers, find out all the careers for the locations. Walmart is hiring, guys, so come check it out. I'm super duper excited, guys, for whoever gets this role. Sending lots of love, hugs, and good vibes your way. Just congratulations to the person who gets this role. And guys, I hope you're having a super fantastic amazing day. You are amazing. Make it an amazing day for someone else. And I appreciate you guys for liking, watching, commenting, and subscribing. And I love you lots. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.